welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are gonna learn a trick about finding out the cube root. So many people find difficult about finding out the cube roots. So here is a very simple trick. If you try this trick, you can also solve the cube roots very easily. So to find out the cube roots, we have to know two tables. The first table is this one, table 1. Second is this one. Most of us know the second table. The first table says, if you are having a question of which you have to find out a cube root, first watch the number. If the number ends with 0, then your answer also ends with 0. The same goes with 1. If the number ends with 1, the answer also ends with 1. If the number ends with 4, the answer also ends with 4. If the number ends with 5, the answer ends with 5. Same goes till 9. So we are missing some numbers here. 0, 1. Where is 2 and 3? If you are asking this question to me, then I will have to say that if your question ends with 2, the answer ends with 8. If your question ends with 3, the answer ends with 7, and vice versa. If you are finding it difficult to understand this, I'll explain it while solving the questions. So next table is this one. Most of us know the cube roots of 1, 8, 27, 64, 125 till 10 because we find easy. Most of us have memorized, most of us have practiced. So the difficulty comes while finding out the numbers which has a large digits. For example, we are having 4 digits here. We may find difficult to find the cube root. So how to find the cube root of this? As I said, the question is ending with 0. The units place is ending with 0. As I said, if the question ends with 0, the answer also ends with 0. So write 0 in the answer. And so the second step is very important. I will repeat, the second step is very important. Ignore the last 3 digits. Always. Whatever may be the question is, ignore the last 3 digits. The second part is very important. So the so the left out digit is 8. So here comes the. You try to find out where 8 is. So 8 is a perfect cube of 2. So we will have to write the answer as 2. So the cube root of 8000 is 20. You can check if you are having the calculator. So the second question is, please try to understand. As I told, the question is ending with 1. If the question is ending with 1, as I told, the answer also should end with 1. So the units place ends with 1. And the second thing also I have told, now ignore the last 3 digits for the second step. Just ignore it. Just forget that we are having these 3 numbers. So the left out digits is 29. So here comes the important part. How to find the next answer. So 29. Are we having 29 here? No, we are not having 29. 29 is falling somewhere between 27 and 64. The second trick is very important. So, which is the lowest number here? Between 3 and 4, the lowest number is 3. So we have to write 3 in the answer. So the answer becomes 31. Please listen carefully. If we are not having the given digits in our table, then we have to write the least number between 3 and 4. The least number is 3. So we have to write 3 here. So the next question, we'll move on to 85184. As always, as said above, the answer, the question is ending with 4. As I told, if the question ends with 4, the answer should end with 4 as well. So I'll write 4 in the units place, and as I told, just ignore the last 3 digits 1, 8 for ignore it. Now the left out is 85. Can you all guess what the answer is? Where does 85 fall? 85 falls between somewhere between 64 and 125. As I told, 64 is the perfect cube of 4 and 125 is the perfect cube of 5. So between these two numbers you have to choose the least number, 4. So the answer for this will be 44. So the next question, I will solve this question because this number is ending with 3. We don't have 3 here. As I told, 3 is been set up here. If the question ends with 3, the answer will end with 7. I'll write 7 in the units place, and the next thing is same for this question also. Just ignore the last 3 numbers, and the left out digit is 19. Find out where 19 falls between. It falls between 8 and 27, so it falls between 2 and 3 finally. As I told, check out the least number in between these two. The least number will be 2, so therefore the answer will be 27. You have to find out the answers of serial number 4 and serial number 6, and please, if you find out the answer, you can write down in the comment section below. And if you like the video, please do subscribe and press the like button, and please don't forget to share the video. Thank you. Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are gonna learn a trick about finding out the cube root. So many people find difficult about finding out the cube roots.
Like, share and subscribe to my channel.